Today we will review this Wi-Fi SD card. This is the vintage SD card that we used in in 2019, 2009-10, where we don't have Wi-Fi capabilities for as handy cams or digital cameras. Nowadays we have inbuilt Wi-Fi. So on those days we don't have. So this one saves us at the time. So this is the Wi-Fi, and we have the lock beside it. So actually there is no lock mechanism inside it. I will show at the end of the video. So let's open it and see what's inside. uh, so just opening that. So this is the inside, the PCB. See the big guys. This is the lock. Let's keep it aside. I will show how it works. See, as I told, actually there is no mechanism, just it's sliding in its the plastic slot. So I will show why it was like that. So actually locking mechanism is inside the uh, device itself, so not in the sticker. So this is the PCB. This big chip at the bottom is for storage, 16 GB storage IC. At the top is like controller, um, Toshiba controller, flash controller. This is our controller. The IC left, that states like that's see. So this is the airworm Wi-Fi IC. So that's the storage IC. This is 16 GB. So 16 GB, that's a flash memory IC, normal one. In a normal non-Wi-Fi based SD cards, we will only find this IC. This is a Wi-Fi based, so these are the additional PCB components. So this is the back side. We have nothing, normal back pane. So this is IC. The IC beside that controller, the small one on the right hand side, that's the Wi-Fi IC. So air or AH something, it was air, yeah, air OH. That's a Wi-Fi IC. It's a Wi-Fi B standards. So right now we have AC now. So this is the B standards, old Wi-Fi standards. So this is one air OHA. This is the Wi-Fi IC. So it's a remaining, these are like flash memory controller ICs, and this is this is inside that. The main problem with this is like it will use extra juice from your battery because of for Wi-Fi transmission. So that's the drawback. Let's see how it works. I'm using my Sony camera, so just like normal SD card, we will insert it. For this, there is separate app for Toshiba. So I will open my Samsung Note. So this is a flasher app. So it will scan for this SD card. So this is the interface. So you can see we have folders for videos, and this is the option. This is the folders for pictures and videos. It will take some time, like 2-3 seconds for photos to load, so that you can copy directly. As I told, that's the major drawback here is like it will consume our battery. So here in my Sony digital camera, it consumes battery. So this is the just a previously I'm talking now. So this is the slot inside a reader slot. So the lock mechanism is inside the host device, not on the SD card. So see this plastic lock, there is notch, so it has nothing to do, so just it will move up. But inside there is nothing mechanism, but that all the mechanism is when you insert the on the host device. So here, so it was in so see there is no movement in the in now see. So now you will see. So now you can see this mechanism. So all the all the locking mechanism is inside the whichever device you are using, and the device slot will have the actual locking mechanism. So the switch is like just to like for us to select in which lock or unlock position. That's it. I just want to show that I think many people know this, but I just want to cover this as well. So people who don't know, like actually I'm going to want to show is like actual locking. There is no internal locking. That's a hard, just a plastic switch that has no connection inside the SD card. That's normal moving part. That's it. Actional. So actual main locking is inside the slot itself. So as you can see, that triggers the read write lock or lock on or off. So that's the thing. Okay guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel.